Hello Lethbridge, Steve here with McFadden Honda. Welcome to Feature Friday, where we actually have a popular request on how to set up your door and window setup as well as your walkway locks. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we're actually going to be doing this on a 2022 Honda Civic Sport. Now, the systems have changed just a little bit, but it's actually fairly easy to set up your door and window setup as well. So you're going to go into Home on the with the button on your steering wheel, and you're going to go to your settings. From your settings, you're going to scroll down. So first off, you have your driver's assist system setup, meter setup, keyless access setup. So first we're going to start here, and there's a door unlock mode. So here you can actually set it to all doors when you hit the button on your fob, or driver's door only. Now that we're back in the settings screen, we're going to go to door setup, and we have what's called an auto door lock and an auto door unlock, and then key remote unlock mode. So the next one we're going to go to is we're going to go back to the top and the auto door lock mode. So same thing, we can get it to set with the vehicle speed when we shift to park, or we can turn it off completely. Going back, we're going to go back to our door unlock mode. And here we can do it whenever the driver's doors unlock. All doors are unlocked as soon as we shift to park, or when the ignition is turned off. Or we can turn that completely off as well. We're going to go back again. And we have walkway locks. Walkway locks are probably the most used thing because we actually set them up here right at the dealership. So when you get 8 feet away from the vehicle with your key in your hand, if you haven't heard the door lock or you haven't pressed it on your way out, it actually will lock itself, and you'll hear the chirp when you first get out, and then you'll hear the chirp again when you get 8 feet away. And then we have the keyless lock answer back. So this is with your key fob. Whenever you hit the lock button, it will chirp at you, letting you know that the vehicle is locked. And the last part I want to go off of, and you've probably seen it in the last video that we did with the key fob tricks, is you can actually turn off that window venting system by going back into your systems and finding the keyless remote power window control, and you can turn that off as well. I do like it because in the summertime, I know how hot my vehicle gets, so that's why I leave mine on, but all completely up for you for customizing your vehicle. So thank you so much for joining us on Feature Friday on how to set up your locks. Just remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm Steve Domolewski, and letting you know, love what you drive.